Hi children, a very warm welcome to Narana Live Class. So today in this video we are going to learn one more assignment on natural vegetation and wildlife. Now let's start. So the first question is, name some citrus fruits that are cultivated in Mediterranean region. So the answer is orange, figs, olives and grapes. So the first question answer is orange, figs, olives and grapes. Now let's take second question children. Why citrus fruits are cultivated in Mediterranean region? So the answer is because people have removed the natural vegetation. So why? Because to order to cultivate citrus fruits. So the answer is what children? Because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate citrus fruits. Okay. So second question answer is because people have removed natural vegetation in order to cultivate citrus fruits. Okay children, so this is the second question answer. Now let's take third question. What makes the coniferous forest unique? So the coniferous forest unique feature is they are very tall and softwood evergreen trees. So third question answer is tall and softwood evergreen trees. Okay children, so these are three questions. Let's take few more questions. Now let's take fourth question children. Name the animals found in coniferous forests. So the answer is silver fox, mink and polar bear. So the fourth question answer is silver fox, mink and polar bear. Now let's take fifth question. By which name coniferous forest is also known? So the answer is taiga. The fifth question answer is taiga. Next, let's take sixth question children. Where do you find savanna grasslands? So the answer is African continent. So sixth question answer is in Africa. Next, seventh question. Name the common animals found in tropical grasslands. So the answer is elephants, zebras, giraffes, deers and leopard. So seventh question answer is elephants, zebras and giraffes, okay, deers and leopards. Giraffes, deers and leopard. Okay children, so these are 7 questions. Now let's take few more questions. Now let's take 8th question children. How many meters height the tropical grasslands grow? So the answer is 3 to 4 meters. So the eighth question answer is 3 to 4 meters. Now let's take ninth question. In which latitude and in which hemisphere coniferous forests are found? So the answer is 50 to 70 degrees north latitude and northern hemisphere. 50 degrees to 70 degrees north, northern hemisphere. Okay, children. Now let's take last question. Which tree wood pulp is used in making matchboxes and packing boxes? So the answer is softwood evergreen tree. So 10th question answer is softwood evergreen tree. So okay, children. So these are 10 questions of related these assignments. I hope you are clear with these answers. So thank you so much, children. Have a nice day. Now signing off.